Ahoy! This is David Perry and my good friend Stephen Maciel. Hello, Stephen.
Hi, how are you?
And we are here in the Azores on beautiful Sao Miguel Island. And we are here in a place called Furnesh locally, which sounds like an English word, furnace. And, well, that's exactly what it is. We're here in the caldera of an ancient volcano, but one that hasn't quite given out. There's a lot of steam rising and bubbling mud. And actually, Stephen, talk to us about what we have behind here. People are actually cooking with a volcano.
Yes, this is a typical restaurant from the island. They come here, they dig a hole, and they put the vegetables and pork meat and chicken, and they cook what we call cozido à portuguesa, which is a very traditional plate here in the Azores.
Well, and I got to tell you, I mean, they may be cooking beef there, but if you were here and smelled it, it smells like they're cooking rotten eggs, because let me tell you, being in a caldera and smelling sulfur is an experience with a lot of sensation. So thanks a lot. We'll see you soon.